prices, which has gone up by 120% in the last 6 months. That is posing a challenge to our farmers because the fish meal is the most ingredient part in the feed manufacturing. So there is a threat that the feed cost might shoot.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Shri Piyush Goyal ji is here with us. Please put your hands together to extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Union Minister of Industry and Commerce. And I will request Dr. Surabhi Rai ji, Joint Secretary, Department of Fisheries, please come on the stage to honor and welcome Honorable Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, Shri Piyush Goyal ji, with a shawl, with a bouquet and memento, ladies and gentlemen. आपकी तालियों के साथ, करतल ध्वनि के साथ बहुत बहुत स्वागत अभिनंदन है माननीय केंद्रीय वाणिज्य और उद्योग मंत्री श्री पीयूष गोयल जी का। भगवान वेंकटेश्वर की कृपा हम सब पर सदैव बनी रहे। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर। सर, द नेक्स्ट इंटरेक्शन इज विद Dr. Mohammad Daud Seth, who is President, Indian Marine Ingredient Association, Bangalore. Daud, brevity is a virtue, is a quality. Please be brief.
He didn't complete the...
Yeah, any... Okay, just. But be brief.
Then I was waiting for the minister to come in, so I had to stop in between. Sir.
Okay.
So the challenge about the fish meal is that because of most of the ingredients in the most important ingredient in the feed is the fish meal, sir. And 80% of the fish meal which is produced in India is getting exported, and the domestic fish meal price has gone up by 120%. That is posing challenge to the aquaculture farmer. So that needs to be addressed quickly so that the production cost doesn't go up for the farmer.
True, note it.
Now it is clear, sir. Thank you, sir. So I was talking about the fish meal, sir. The fish meal price has gone up by 120% in the last 6 months, and that is being directly reflected on the farmer, sir, because the farm cost has gone up. 80% of the fish meal in India is getting exported to other countries. Our domestic fish feed manufacturers are not able to buy that, so that is one issue, sir. And the second thing is, of course, Black Tiger, which has been a good alternate this thing, and we request you to kindly encourage that Black Tiger by increasing the production so that we can have a diversified species. And on the long-term issues which we thought we bring it to your notice, I'll be very brief, sir. One is the juvenile fishing. This is going to be a biggest threat for our industry, sir. If juvenile fishing is not stopped, the entire ocean bed is getting washed away. So this is a very important issue which needs to be addressed from our side. And the next challenge is the FSMA 204, which is coming up. US is going to, because now the traceability has become a most important thing today, sir. And they're talking about from farm to fork kind of this thing. And if our farms, aquaculture farms, are not registered, it is going to be a big challenge because we have to meet with the FSMA 204 regulation, which is coming up in 2028. Though Andhra has done considerably well in registering the farms, I request the other state governments also to please come forward and start doing the farm registrations. Otherwise, it is going to be a big issue in the coming years, sir. And the last, just 1 or 2 points, sir. I'll be brief on that. The most important thing again is the antibiotic issue in the farm. Though it is not used at the production level, but at the primary farm level, it has to be controlled. Otherwise, India will have a lot of challenges in importing countries because importing countries have zero tolerance towards antibiotic. All of us, everybody in the value chain has to be very, very careful as far as antibiotics are concerned, sir. And of course, regarding the specific pathogen free, my friend Ravi has already addressed. And most important thing is regarding the market access, sir. We have the Russian market where I put it across to Mantriji also last time, where we wanted more units to be registered. And the South Korea issue, he knows that I don't have to tell you in front, sir. You know all the other markets which needs to open up for us, sir. Thank you.
While we were not going to be responding, but I thought let's not make it only a one-way traffic. Let's keep a little two-way discussion. First of all, regarding your small fish problem, the other side also met me. And they may be in the room probably, I don't know. So now it's something we'll have to reconcile between those exporters who do fish meal exports and the other exporters. We're also cognizant that we'll have to ensure regeneration of fish, otherwise this may land up becoming a very severe environmental degradation. I think in the afternoon technical sessions we are going to respond to all these points, and we'll try to find, in Hindi the word is samanvay. In English, the word is a solution which takes care of, balances the interests of all sections. In every industry, there'll always be different sections having different priorities. We'll try to find, I think, we should all work as a team. There's no sense about me, myself only. Because tomorrow, if you think only about yourself, they say we are also looking after the small fishermen who don't go very deep into the sea. And they should get a good price. As it is, their catch is small. But if they look at it in a very microscopic way, then they will lose business after 2 or 3 years, when there will not be enough regeneration of fish. So I think in the afternoon session we'll be there. We'll find a balanced solution. I just thought I'll respond that, and all the other issues that have come up so far, we'll discuss in detail. But what I wanted, why I interrupted, was different. You asked about market access. The least I thought you will acknowledge to Honorable Minister Lalan Singh ji that due to his efforts, we were able to get tremendous market access in European Union, in Russia. You all had come with the problem of listing. It was pending for 10 years. Am I right? 2016 onwards.
Yes, sir.
We got 104 establishments listed. Was that not a huge impetus to export? Russia, you had a problem of somebody disturbing your exports, one company. We talked to the Deputy Prime Minister of Russia and sorted out that problem. A round of applause for Lalan Singh ji. And under his leadership, we've had a sea change since we are in the seafood industry. We've had a sea change in our exports. So not only did you continue large exports to US, now you've opened up new markets during the course of last year. So now of course you should aspire for more. You should not settle at this. Ye dil mange more should be your philosophy. But truly, Lalan Singh ji, I think we all would like to express to you very loud applause and vote of thanks for your leadership.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Next, President IMIA. Please be very brief.
Very good afternoon to our Honorable Fisheries Minister Sri Lalan Singh ji and our Commerce Minister. हमारे Commerce Minister Piyush ji, sorry, I will be more louder.
Practical training to all of you how to speak in the mic.
Great sir, great sir.
Everybody please hold the mic near your mouth and speak a little loud so we can hear you.
सर, और हमारे सीएम साहब आंध्रा से, सर, अभी हम लोग सुने फिश मील लास्ट 50 सालों से है यहाँ पे, सस्टेनेबल है. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, थोड़े 2 वर्ड्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. जुवेनाइल, जो खाने की मछली होती है ना, 2000 रुपए किलो की होती है, उसका जुवेनाइल को जुवेनाइल बोल दिया जाता है. जो फिश मील इंडस्ट्री में यूज होता है ना सर, ये प्रजाति अलग है, इसका साइंस अलग है. ये इतनी ज्यादा आती है, उसको हम रख नहीं सकते. ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन, एक्सपोर्ट सब होने के बाद में सरप्लस, अबंडेंट सी फूड हमारा टोटल है ना सर, फिश मिल केवल 2.2 मिलियन टन फिश मिल का फिश जाता है, छोटा वाला. सो देयर आर मिसकॉन्सेप्शन सर. अभी हमारा जो एक्वाकल्चर का जो ग्रोथ था फिश मिल की वजह से हुआ सर. जब से अल्टरनेटिव बोलना शुरू किए ना, तब से ना हमको अल्टरनेटिव आइटम्स डालना पड़ रहा है. मोर्टेलिटी, गट हेल्थ, आपको पता लग जाएगा कि हमारे रिसर्चर से पूछेंगे तो पता चल जाएगा क्या हो रहा है. इंडिया में है फिश मील इज अ रेवोल्यूशन. फिश मील से 50,000 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू जनरेट हो सकता है सर, लेकिन उसको कभी मान्यता नहीं मिली, कभी उसको आगे नहीं लेके आया गया. सर आपके एम्पेडा में भी कभी अभी तक फिश मील को 1 रुपया नहीं दिया. फिर भी हम 10% आपके रेवेन्यू बास्केट में डालते हैं। आपका जो रेवेन्यू बास्केट से 10% हमको पॉलिसी सपोर्ट दीजिए, हमको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दीजिए। कोई भी आ रहा है, कुछ भी लेटर लिख दे रहा है, साइंस नहीं है, फिश मिल को बैन कर दो। इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी 35 से 0 कर दी गई थी। यहाँ पे क्या है, आज जो हालत हमारी है आंध्रा के फार्मर्स की, इसकी जिम्मेदार कौन है पता है?